In this video, I'll show you how to add an email signature in Salesforce so every message you send looks professional and consistent without rewriting details each time. Start by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings to open your Personal Preferences area. On the left side, use the search box to type My Email Settings and choose it from the results to jump directly to the section that controls outgoing email behavior. Scroll to the email signature text box, click inside it, and enter clean information such as your name, job title, company, and basic contact details while keeping the layout simple and easy to read across devices. Avoid heavy graphics or sensitive information and follow any company branding or disclaimer guidelines if they exist. Once saved, Salesforce automatically inserts this signature whenever you compose emails, helping maintain a polished and uniform appearance. Subscribe for clear beginner tech tutorials and honest walkthrough videos every week.